Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at how to use a whiteboard in the Zoom client. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm gonna click on a new meeting to start a new meeting. Alright guys, I've started up a new meeting and here as you can see, there is an option for whiteboarding, but before looking into that, I'm gonna click on this arrow, and here I have an option to share my whiteboard to only me or all the participants of the meeting. So right now all participants are checked out here, and who can start sharing when someone else is sharing, then I've set it up to host only, but if you want, you could set up all participants too. So with that said and done, I'm going to click on whiteboards, and there are two ways to create a whiteboard. The first way is to create a blank whiteboard, and the second way is to click on templates over here. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates over here which we can choose for a whiteboard. Right now I'm gonna look at strategy and planning, and I'm gonna look for bullseye, and I'm gonna open the template. There you go. So as you can see, there is a template being prepared already for you to present your meeting. So I think this would be useful for many businesses to actually share quick info to your team. All right, now I'm gonna actually move this to the trash. There you go. I'm gonna click on whiteboard again, and I'm gonna create a new whiteboard, and I'm gonna click on open and collaborate, and there you go. The whiteboard has been set up, you guys. Now if I click on the draw button here, and if I can choose a pen or a highlighter or the size of the pen that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna stick with the normal pen here. Right now I'm gonna write something. Howdy, sup. All right, so we have an option to actually share this written notes while we are doing a meeting, and this is super helpful, guys. And once the meeting is done, you can actually share it too. So we'll talk about it later. Now if you need to draw a shape, there is an option to do that as well. So I'm gonna draw a nice little rectangle over here, and if I want, I could include text, and here are the text formatting options. This is fantastic, you guys. All right, now if I wanted to create a line, an arrow, or double arrow, I can do this here as well, just to point out something. All right, so if I click on the text option here, I have an option to type, and I can select this text and do some formatting, which is nice. And if I don't want the text, I can just click on this erase, and there it goes. All right, now I'm going to click on delete. So simple, you guys. And if I want to set up a sticky note too, I can do that here as well. So I could create a sticky note, and I can add in some text here in the sticky note as well. So which is a fantastic feature, guys. And if you wanted to undo this, you can just click on the undo button over here, and whatever we have done so far will get undo. Great. So this is pretty much it when it comes to the whiteboard, you guys. Now let's talk about how to share this whiteboard to your teammates, because once the meeting is done and there are blah 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 notes, meeting info, everything will be on this whiteboard, and you need to share this whiteboard to your team, right? So once the meeting is done, you need to share this file so that everyone can see. So as you can see at the top corner here, there is an option to share. If I click on share, I could actually share it with my contacts. All I have to do is just type in the contact's email or contact name or the channel which I wanted to share this info with. Also, there is an option to actually copy the link of this whiteboard. If I click on copy, it will be copied to the clipboard, and you can share it to your team through email or chat or whatever. So this is super simple, you guys, and I'm gonna close it for now. And I'm going to tell you one more thing, in case if you don't like black and if you want to change the color of the text or the tool that you used to write, there is an option to change the color. There are a few limited colors over here. I'm going to choose orange here, and I'm going to write orange. So there you go. This is how you change the color. Similarly, you can change color for your shapes, for your arrows, for your text, and your sticky note, or whatever you need. This is how whiteboards in Zoom work, you guys. And if I wanted to close this dashboard, all I have to do is click on close dashboard, and that is it, you guys. I'm going to quickly end this meeting. Now I'm back at my Zoom client, and here if I click on whiteboards here, and if I click on resend, there you go. We've got the whiteboard that we have created, and from here too you can share your whiteboard to your team, to your channel, or the emails of the people that you had the meeting with. So this is pretty fantastic, you guys. I think this is a very useful feature of Zoom, and I hope you have learned how to use whiteboard in Zoom. So until I meet you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care, you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.